friends? Want to hear a fun memory? I still remember my very first drawing in school. I had a tiny crayon in my hand and I drew 2 hills and a big yellow sun. I even colored outside the lines. Oops! But my teacher said, "Aadi, it's beautiful because it's your drawing." So today, I'm drawing that same happy picture in MS Paint. And this time, I'll teach you too. Let's go! Step 1, take the curve tool from Shapes. Now draw your first hill, just a curved line. Right next to it, draw your second hill. Make it a bit smaller or bigger, any way you like. My hills look like 2 sleeping dinosaurs. Hee hee! Now in the space above between the hills, let's add the sun. Pick the circle tool. Press Shift to make a perfect round sun and place it right in the middle. That's our smiling sun. Now for the sun rays. Pick the line tool and change the color to orange. Draw lines going up, down, left, right from the sun. Then add diagonal lines between them like between up and right, left and down, and so on. Wait, now grab the yellow color and draw smaller lines in between all the orange ones. Ta-da! Now it really looks like the sun is glowing and shining. It's time to make our picture come alive with colors. The sky? Let's go with a light blue, just like a peaceful morning sky. Let's color the hills with a light green, soft and grassy. And the sun's circle? Make it bright yellow, like a juicy mango. And there you go, your Sunny Hills masterpiece is ready. Show it to your family and sing song together. Sun comes up from hills.
Sun, 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 sun. Sun comes up so bright, peeking out with morning light. Sun, 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 sun. From the hills east side, smiling wide it cannot hide. Birds fly up and cheer, morning time is finally here. Sky turns blue and white, sun shines here, let's play outside.
See you in the next episode, artists. Keep painting, keep smiling. Bye-bye.